New analysis from our ABC data team shows U.S. homeowners in areas prone to natural disasters lose homeowners insurance at nearly twice the rate of those who live in less vulnerable counties.
Quite astonishing. Of course, Southeast Texas is no stranger to hurricanes, flooding, high winds, and all other destructive forces that come along with it.
Our Liliana Pearson dove into this data, finding answers on what to do, Liliana, if your insurance drops you.
Yeah, well, today I was looking at the Kinder Institute research, which showed that 55% of people here in Harris County own a home. And if you own a home, you know that your mortgage lender will require that you have homeowners insurance. But some homeowners are starting to run into problems as policy providers are starting to leave the area, and some of them aren't choosing to renew with certain homeowners. After the hurricanes, floods, and windstorms of Southeast Texas blow through, homeowners start making calls. Roof damage, flood damage, and fallen trees. It all needs to be paid for. For homeowners who have been paying into their homeowner policies, one of the first calls they make is to their insurance company to file a claim. But data analyzed by ABC shows here in Harris County, about 4,000 policyholders were told by their insurance companies that they can't renew, which comes out to about 1% of policyholders. Keep in mind, this data is based on 2023 census data and doesn't account for recent events like Hurricane Beryl or the derecho in May of 2024. Houston Association of Realtors board member Troy Cothran says the reason this is happening is because in recent years, more people have been filing big claims.
They're trying to figure out how they can balance paying out claims and still make enough money to pay out the claims without making it a losing proposition. Nobody wants to go into business and say, hey, we plan on losing money.
Cothran says as more insurance companies pull out of the area and drop clients, they also remove the competition, allowing the remaining companies to charge high rates.
They're saying we're going to make it worth, the risk that we're taking. So they're raising these rates to cover the extra risk that they're taking. And some of them are just sky high.
Cothran says if you do get dropped by your insurance, you have a few options. One option is allowing your mortgage company to give you a forced insurance. But this is typically a very expensive and bare bones policy that might not cover what you need if disaster strikes. Your best option, Cothran says, is to put in the work. Shop around, talk to experts, and read the fine print of the policy because the cheapest option isn't always the best. Cothran also recommended that you reach out to an independent policy provider. He says this is somebody that's going to be partnered with several different companies. They'll be able to do some of this shopping around for you and help you decide what policy is best. I'm Liliana Pearson, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.